Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
I've been using these 4-pack buffet risers by HeiMma and I'm honestly so impressed. The best part is that they're foldable, so setup takes seconds, and when I'm done, they collapse flat. So no bulky storage, which I love. I really like that the set comes with 4 different heights. It makes any dessert or snack table look layered and professional instead of flat. Cupcakes, cookies, fruit, or even little decorations just pop up when they're displayed at different levels. The white finish is clean and simple, which means it works with any theme. Even though they're cardboard, they are lightweight but surprisingly sturdy, so I can trust them to hold any desserts without wobbling. What I also love is the versatility. I can group them together for a centerpiece look or spread them out across the table depending on the setup. They are affordable, reusable, and just make hosting so much easier. Overall, these risers are practical, stylish, and super easy to use. They instantly make a dessert table look put together, and for me, that's such a win.
And that's my point of view.